Another very interesting thing is ibadah in the month of Ramadan is such that it takes a lot from a person. Allah wants you to engage in night prayer in Ramadan. Allah wants you to engage in extra activity. Remember, it's the month of the Quran. It's the month of Taraweeh. A few weeks ago, I was counting how many things Ramadan is a month of. And I counted about 20 things. And we were still counting. It's the month of mercy, the month of forgiveness, the month of victory. Do you realize some of the battles took place, like the battle of Badr? The victory against all odds happened in the month of Ramadan. When the battle of Badr took place, and I tell you, against all odds, our brothers and sisters will also be victorious. It's another month of Ramadan. May Allah Almighty grant us victory upon victory. It's a month of dedication to prayer because you add extra voluntary prayers, but Allah rewards you so much that He tells you this is going to be the reward. How are you going to miss out something when Allah's giving you so much reward? That's why Taraweeh, very important. You're supposed to enjoy the beautiful prayer of Taraweeh. You're supposed to, mashallah, love the fact that you're prolonging in prayer. Unfortunately with us, what happens is we start getting edgy and agitated. And I know many masjids where people pick on the lighting, they pick on the windows, they pick on the heating, they pick on the cooling, they pick on the sound, they pick on the imam, but they have to pick on something. They have to pick on something. I'd just like to be a person who doesn't pick on anything, just enjoy the recital. If you're in charge, then you should try and correct everything so people don't pick. But imagine I came about here, someone told me it's going to be very cold in this venue. So I wore 2 pairs of socks and my shoes didn't fit me. So I put on slops. So I said, you know what, I've defeated the purpose anyway. However, I came in here and the warmth of the hearts of the people has really brightened up this place and at the same time given it some beautiful feeling. I didn't need these 2 pairs of socks. May Allah Almighty grant us warmth of the heart. May Allah Almighty help us to care for one another.